Thinking about a home addition or remodeling your house in the DC, Maryland, or Northern Virginia area, but not sure who to trust? You're not alone. Many homeowners have gone through frustrating experiences with the wrong contractors. Here are the 10 worst experiences homeowners often face. 1. Projects that take months longer than promised. 2. Hidden costs and surprise charges. 3. Contractors who stop answering calls or texts. 4. Messy, unorganized job sites. 5. Poor workmanship that doesn't last. 6. No proper design plan before starting. 7. Crews disappearing halfway through the job. 8. Failed inspections or missing permits. 9. Unprofessional workers who don't respect your home. 10. And broken promises that leave homeowners stressed and disappointed. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we do things completely differently. We believe remodeling your home should be an exciting, well-planned, and stress-free experience from start to finish. Here's what sets DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling apart from the rest. Clear communication from day one. You'll always know what's happening. 1. Upfront, honest pricing, no hidden fees or surprises. 2. Design and build services under one roof for a seamless process. 3. High-quality craftsmanship built to last. 4. Friendly, respectful crews who keep your home clean and safe. 5. Organized scheduling to keep your project on track. 6. Licensed, insured professionals in every trade. 7. Daily updates and full transparency throughout the job. 8. Permits and inspections handled properly and efficiently. And most importantly, we deliver exactly what we promise. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we proudly serve the entire DMV area, including Washington, D.C., Arlington, Alexandria, Springfield, Falls Church, McLean, Bethesda, Potomac, and nearby communities. Our services include home additions and extensions, full home renovations, kitchen and bathroom remodeling, custom design and build, deck and porch installation, concrete and masonry work, roof replacement and repair, and much more. If you're ready to transform your home with a contractor who truly cares about quality, communication, and results, call us today at 703-980-3266 or schedule a virtual appointment using the link below. We'd love to discuss your project. Let's bring your vision to life and make your home bigger, better, and more beautiful the right way. Thanks for watching. If you're planning a home addition or remodel in the DMV, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next video.